Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do a review and demonstration of this InoKraft Drizzle LVLP spray gun. Let's get started. I'm going to give you my honest opinion of this new InoKraft Drizzle paint gun. Let's just open it up, see the contents, see what comes in this box, and let's do a review on it. Let's just open it up. Let's see what's inside. Right off the bat, you got yourself your manual. Perfect. There it is. And you got yourself your gun. It does come with an air regulator. Does come with an air filter for your line. And this is the gun. It's nicely packaged. Nice looking gun actually. Really nice. Let's continue with the unboxing and see what else comes with it. Let's now remove the foam. There's your cup right there. Does come with a cup and another little box. That's it. That's all that's inside the box. Let's open this little box, see what's inside. So let's open this little box and we find some Teflon tape, I guess for your connections, your cleaning kit, okay. Oh, and more tips. Ooh, let's see. You got your 1.5 and this is a 1.7, so what does this have? A 1.3. Nice. Okay, I wasn't expecting this. This is your adapter for your PPS cups right there, which actually I'm gonna be using this adapter right now. Some connections and the tips, and you got your needles right there. And this is all that comes in the box, guys, which is a really nice kit. I'm gonna be using it. I'm gonna be using it right now with a 3-stage pearl. Let's see how good this gun sprays the base, sprays the pearl, and sprays the clear. Let's put it to the test. So with any gun, right off the bat, what you need to do when you have a brand new spray gun, just clean it. It doesn't matter if it's brand new. They put some oils and grease in the needles and all that so that they can keep it lubricated while it's in the package. So we're gonna clean it up with some lacquer thinner. Just make sure this gun is completely clean out of any oils, and let's put it together. Let's see how it sprays. Right there, I'm cleaning them with some lacquer thinner. These are the way it looks, the internals. So let me just finish cleaning it up, put it together, start spraying. All right, this is a subject that's gonna get that 3-pearl paint job. Everything's ready. I am using the adapter for that PPS and we're good to go. Paint is ready. Let's see how good this gun sprays. And one thing, guys, the reason I am using this gun for the 3-stage pearl, I wanna see the capability of this gun. I want to see how, you know that the pearls have a unique way of spraying. So I want to see if this gun is capable of doing that. So that's the reason I am using it. There it is. There's the first coat. My initial thoughts on the gun, it sprays really good. The fan pattern could be a little bit bigger. It's not small, but I'm used to a little bit bigger of a fan. But it sprays nice. It sprays really nice. That's the first coat. I'm gonna be applying 3 coats of the base and then the pearl. The pearl is gonna be where we're gonna see this gun shine, or hopefully not fail. I want to respray this bumper cover, but let's put it to the test. There it is. 3 coats have been applied. Nice, smooth. The gun sprayed nice, really nice. Let's wait about 15 minutes. Apply that pearl. We're gonna see the work coming too. There it is. There's the pearl. Let's put it on the gun and let's apply it. I'm gonna be applying 2 to 3 coats of pearl. That's usually what these cars have from the factory, so let's just do that. All right, for the first coat of pearl, it did a good job. It did a really good job. And I do have the fan wide open and the material wide open. Both of them are wide open, and I do have the air pressure at 28 psi. 28 psi, and it's been working fine. Let's apply 2 more coats of that pearl, then the clear. There you go, there you go, 3 coats of pearl. And That is really good. There's no blotchiness, no patterns, no tiger striping. Very good gun. Wow. I am actually amazed. And remember, it has the potential to have the 1.5 and 1.7 tip, which you can use for primer and everything in one package. Very good. Another thing, if you're a beginner or you're barely gonna start painting, this is a real nice gun to start with. Has a real nice atomization for the pearls and for solid colors. And if you're able to shoot pearl with this, you're gonna be able to shoot metallics and candies also. So real nice gun. It's a complete gun, and the price, guys, you're not gonna believe. Real nice gun, real inexpensive gun with a high quality, real high quality. So let's just start applying that clear so that you can see how good this gun sprays the clear. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is nice. And this is the first coat. Holy smokes. And I am spraying high solids clear. Wow. Very good. Very, very good. On the first coat, and it covered completely. And I wasn't even spraying that heavy. I did bump up the pressure to 32 psi, from 28 for the base and pearl to the 32 psi for the clear. And there it is, 3 coats of clear. Nice, smooth, real nice. So this InoKraft Drizzle paint gun was able to pull off a 3-stage pearl paint job. Nice, very, very nice. I'll leave all the information to this paint gun on the description below, guys. Check it out. tell them Far Away sent you and get yourself one. And this will be it. This will be it for this video. Thank you very much. This is unboxing and review of the InoKraft Drizzle paint gun. Thank you guys. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video, and subscribe to the channel. I want to say thank you, and like always, God bless.